Kabor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabalas Nakarpang Kabakhamskem, Kamstet, Kamklan, Batbaduna Bam Umpnia.
Presiden ka United Democratic Party uba Metbah Lyngdoh ulapan pau ya ka Jingkyrmen Jongka Party ha ka election ka Bansalong ha Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council ha ka Jingkyrmen bat kila patay kubor ha ka Lightrek unai wieng arjar option uba Metbah ulaong baka party kala thau ya ka kenhuan ka ban pej bat ban itho ya ki kertong ki batikna ban job ya ka election ki baykhun na ka tiket Jongka Party harilom Ghadc. Ya menta ka UDP ka don tangu MDC ha Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council.
No, we have started the exercise already. I have shared with you maybe 3 months back that we had a review as far as the party is concerned with regards to the Ghadc Hills region, and we have already constituted a body where it is about to look after the entire welfare of the party in the entire Ghadc region. So we have entrusted that group to identify and the people or the candidates who are interested and who are there in respective constituencies for the upcoming GHDC elections.
It appears there is a resurgence.
Sorry?
Will it impact UDP?
No, I don't think. I don't think so. I don't think so. But let's see, politics is politics, so can't say about it. But I don't see that it will have any negative impact as far as UDP is concerned.
Sir, the UDP time for
No, because you see, as of now, we do have one MDC who is from UDP there. As far as party is concerned, it will be very difficult to do any kind of activities as far as that constituency, particular constituency or that particular area. Unless you have the elected member, then you can see the difference between the constituency where the elected and the non-electeds are there from any political party. It always have that kind of impact when it comes to elected or non-elected members.
This love has no ceiling, I cannot deny.